Creo que es águila, eres ese. Sí, es águila. Ajá, la cara ya le miro el pico. Hay negras también con blanco. Sí, es águila. Ahí está el pico, mira, es diferente a los demás. ¡Wow, qué bonita! ¡Ay, pobrecita! Pobrecita, los animales. Guárdalo. Esa vuela, mijo, mira, mira, mira. Sí, es águila. Mira, mira, es águila.
Welcome back to the Walking in Griffith Park series, Self-Oracle Fall Productions. This is actually a reference point because I want to show you something that I overlooked, even though we had passed through this general area, but I wanted to show you. There's a map. It's actually a map of the whole park area, and I'm hoping to show it to you. So as you saw the sign, we're at the southern end of the lower old zoo trail, which you saw in episode 0. That's the reference point. This overpath right here, this is also part of episode 0, but there's this lower part which is where the map is. I'm gonna show you that.
I always do that, dude. Siempre te pasa, eh. I thought we were gonna go because I had a feeling you were like, oh yeah, he doesn't want to do this.
We're almost there. It's pretty quick. Okay, here it is. This is the map of the entire Griffith Park area. The title of this says Fern Canyon Trailhead. It says this is sign number 46 of Griffith Park. There's a lot to look at. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but I'm gonna zoom in here so you can look at it. This says you are here, and it's pointing towards the Fern Canyon Nature Trail, which we've been on before. Lower Beacon Trail we've never been on, but it's close to the 5 freeway. Oh. There's a lot to look at, and I can't really read you everything, but it's just a general view. Griffith Park rules and regulations: no smoking, no unauthorized vehicles, no bicycles on trails, no fires, no feeding wildlife, no alcohol. Dogs must be on leash at all times. Stay on clearly designated trails. All plants and animals in the park are protected. Stay safe by giving horses the right of way. For emergencies, call Park Rangers 323-644-6661 or 911. The map legend: a non-auto road are the gray lines you see on the map. Fire road trail are the red lines, and the yellow lines are footpath trails. Symbols you might find on the map: stables, picnic area, food, drinking water, restroom, parking. And this is the lower part of the map where you see Hollywood Boulevard, the 101 freeway, Western Avenue, Franklin Village, American Film Institute, Los Feliz Boulevard, Ferndale Drive and Ferndale Trail. We'll eventually do that, but I know how to get there. It's pretty easy. Then Canyon Drive looks like if you take Franklin west of Western, you'll get into Franklin Village, and then you can get onto Canyon Drive, which looks like it goes into the Hollywood Hills. So we'll do that too. We're actually miles away. Not many miles away. It only seems like miles due to my position, but it's only like, I think, 2 or 3 miles. No. I think about between 1 and 2 miles if you go on Las Feliz Boulevard after merging out of Crystal Springs Drive. So if you take, actually it's right there, Las Feliz Boulevard, Crystal Springs Drive. If you take Las Feliz from here all the way to Western. Okay. And then last but not least, we have these references. And some advice: be prepared, hike with plenty of water. You're in an urban wilderness for your safety and to prevent the habitat. Oh my goodness. You're in an urban wilderness for your safety and to protect the habitat. Please stay on designated trails. Okay. Well, that's it for that. And over here we just have, this is part of Los Angeles Department of Parks and Recreation. We have this informative sign. Griffith Park South Water Recycling Project, GPS WRP, construction duration June 2015 to June 2018. This project will extend the existing recycled water system to the southern facilities of Griffith Park, increasing recycled water supply and offsetting potable water demand. The GPS WRP will deliver 120 million gallons of recycled water through purple pipe for irrigation per year at the Roosevelt Golf Course and future areas of expansion within Griffith Park. Construction details: 4,900 feet of purple pipe through open trench construction, 2,900 feet of purple pipe through trenchless construction known as horizontal directional drilling (HDD), a 1 million gallon tank for recycled water storage, a new recycled water pump station. Construction vehicles will be routed through Los Feliz Boulevard, Vermont Avenue, Commonwealth Road, Vista del Valle, and Crystal Springs Drive. For route information, please visit the project website www.ladwp.com/GPSWRP. For more information, LADWP, Johan Toroletto, 213-367-2296, Stephanie Spicer, 213-367-1314, www.ladwp.com/GPSWRP, Griffith Park Rangers Office, 323-644-6661. Sponsored by the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power as well. Council Member Tom LaBonge, District 4. And this impassable restricted area for pedestrians. However, anything that belongs to the construction project or Department of Parks and Recreation can enter. I don't even know what's in there, but I can probably show you. Just because this is part of the video. And I think we deserve to know what is here. So this is the alleged construction site. That is pretty much it. I don't know what purple pipe is, but a plumber and engineer knows that. Well, that's it really. There's nothing else to show. It's a pretty small construction site. So this is part of episode 4. I forgot to mention this at the beginning, but this is episode 4 of the series. I get... there's a pipe, but I don't know. Oh, okay, that's pretty much all there's to show for this. It's not like I can't go inside the construction zone, but that's generally a good idea of what's in there. And apparently that's this water pipe project. Expansion of Griffith Park, that's interesting. I'm not exactly sure where they're planning to expand. But this will be a short episode. I hope you enjoy the... Oh, my mom is considering going down here instead of going out all the way around to the parking lot where it's stable. I have a water bottle with me, so I don't know. Can I do this? Excuse me. If I can get rid of this water bottle. Oh wait, I could do this. Okay. So there's a couple of these kinds of shortcuts, but they are dangerous. You gotta be careful. So I guess this is gonna be the interesting part of the video. That's okay, thank you. Okay, I can actually stand now. How did... Hold on. Make contact with the dirt. Just jump it. And this is where we started. We're now here. I think this is easier now. I think we're okay. I actually jumped it because it's like there's no way I'm gonna hit. Okay, here we go. Just watch out for these thorns. We're good. Yeah, we did it. So this is... So that's that. From up there to down here. I'm gonna get out the way. No, never mind, he turned that way. Okay. So this is gonna be it for episode 4. And as usual, thanks to my mom for helping out with those tough moments. The result is this, just this. No, nothing serious. I don't think I remember showing you the way back from the lower old zoo trail back to the parking lot where I parked my car. Basically, that was just a shortcut, but the long cut, which is the official trail, that's the most stable and safe way of going it, goes around to, there's a white gate which can be opened and closed, and that's where we would loop around to this spot here, and that's basically where we're gonna end up here. The merry-go-round is actually over there. If you can see the top of the red and white top, that's the merry-go-round. I never showed you before, but since this is more of a map, and this is more of a looking at features that I never showed you before kind of episode. Oh, and I hope you enjoyed the view of the birds and the squirrels. They are at the beginning of the episode. And with that, right here, this is the other side of that construction site. I can show you quickly. Signs. This would be the other side of the construction site. This doesn't actually have the no pedestrian restrictions. Well, don't think there's any need for me to go in there, since it's basically just the other side, like I said. So I'm going to leave you. The rest of this you probably already saw, and I don't think I need to show you. There is one other thing I will show you though, because there is not the signs, of course. I'm not referring to these. By the way, they say no parking, authorized vehicles only. Instead, I'm referring to, there's actually a trail. I'm not going on it today, but something that I'll consider for a future episode. Since this is all about exploring as many features of Griffith Park, there's a trail, a bit of concrete. No, that's not concrete, that's asphalt. So it'll make for somewhat easy incline. Also, a warning sign, danger. No fire smoking, LAMC 57.25.14 and LAMC 57.23.02. Okay. So this is gonna be it. Eric of Production. See you in episode 5.